Technology systems operating in data centers are routinely notified of maintenance requiring uninterruptible power supply, UPS system transfers. IT frequently understands these transfers are reason for concern, but may not understand the specifics of the event. This video is an example of a typical process to transfer the IT load from utility power to generator power, which allows technicians to safely perform maintenance on the UPS. Before any critical maintenance is performed, a safety meeting with all participants occurs. During this meeting, they will review the method of procedure. The MOP is a document that describes in detail the sequential steps that will be taken and signed off prior to performing each step. Next, they will go over all necessary safety precautions for the given maintenance event. After the safety meeting has finished, the next step is to get the generators running. This is done from a remote location where the paralleling gear can initiate and sync all the generators together to support the electrical load. This is a schematic representation of how power can be provided to critical IT loads. The yellow line indicates the input power is flowing from the utility distribution through the UPS modules and into the critical IT load. Now that the generators are warmed up and ready to accept the critical load, the next step is to transfer from normal UPS power to generator power. The transition takes approximately 3 seconds to transfer load. During this time, the batteries will provide current to the critical IT load as illustrated. Once the transfer is complete, the load is now supported by the generators. As illustrated, electrical power is still flowing through the UPS modules. The UPS modules are not yet safe to work on. The next step is to perform the static bypass transfer, which is the first step to electrically isolate the UPS modules. This transfer is automated and initiated through the UPS controls. As illustrated, the power flows from the generators through the static bypass into the IT load. This transfer is a closed 50 millisecond transition, meaning the transfer is transparent to the critical loads. After that step is performed, you can initiate the transfer from static bypass to maintenance bypass. This is a manual closed transition operation where both sources are briefly paralleled. This transfer is also transparent to the critical loads. At this point, the UPS modules are electrically isolated and the UPS maintenance can be performed. Once maintenance on the UPS has concluded, the reverse steps are performed to return the UPS to the normal utility service. Here at the Markley Group, we understand that reliable power is the result of competent engineering, operations, and maintenance. This video highlights how our team continuously strives to ensure power systems are effectively operated and maintained. Utilizing best industry practices has ensured that One Summer Street has never lost commercial power, allowing your business and ours to run successfully.